Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you a quick update regarding the DataHive Airdrop. So DataHive basically is a decentralized platform that supplies data for AI, same as the Grass network. If you follow our YouTube channel, then you might already know that around a month ago, I shared this project with you. So why should you join this project? Because they have already secured $3.5 million in funding and their investors are solid. So Six-Man Ventures is their lead investor, and this project is also backed by Solana as well. So I have already been farming this project for a long time, and I hope you are also farming it. I have already got around 14k points. Basically what you need to do is just run their extension in the background, just like the Grass network. You can run this on both your PC or mobile. So recently they shared an update regarding Discord, and now you can claim your early role. I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description. What you need to do is simply click this link and you will be redirected to Discord. Just accept the invite. Next you need to verify. Click on verify. Then solve the CAPTCHA and click on submit. And after that you will be verified. To get the role you need to do some activities. For example, you can type GM there. And you can also do some chat. Most importantly, you need to click on rules, then react to that post. After that, you will see the worker bee role, so that's it. So you just need to run DataHive in the background and earn points. That's it for this video. For all the updates, make sure to join our Telegram channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.